The jumbo glass piece in this demonstration video is 3 1/2 inches wide by 4 feet long. Hand foiling a piece this large would be cumbersome and would likely require 2 people to manage it. As you will see in this video, using the foiler, one person is able to foil wrap, crimp, and burnish this entire glass piece in less than 3 minutes. This foiler is loaded with silverback foil, and the green tip indicates that the foil is 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters wide. When foiling pieces this large, it is best to lay the glass on edge on a workbench. However, for this video, the glass is held vertical to fit it into the video frame. Hold the foiler in your dominant hand while holding the glass piece steady with your other hand. Then move the foiler along the glass edge. This is referred to as bringing the machine to the glass. Select a starting point, usually near a corner, then push the glass guide slot, located on the left side of the foiler tip, onto the glass edge. The foiler must be connected to the glass at an angle that maintains constant contact with the roller. This will ensure the foil is properly centered and sufficiently stuck to the glass edge. Proceed along the first edge, but slow down as you approach the corner. Keep steady pressure on the roller as you carefully move the foiler around the corner. Try to keep the glass edge inserted into the tip guide, but don't panic if the glass pops out. Simply take up the slack on the foil, then reconnect the foiler tip onto the glass and continue foiling. Extremely long pieces of glass, such as this one, cannot easily be foiled in one continuous run. It's more convenient to stop at the far end of the glass, leave an appropriate overlap, then use the built-in blade on the foiler to cut the foil. Center and press the tail end of the first foil run onto the edge. Then push the guide slot of the foiler onto the glass edge to overlap the last foiled section. Then continue to draw the foiler along the edge and carefully guiding the foiler around the corners. When you have reached the starting point, allow enough foil for an overlap, then slide the blade switch toward the copper to cut the foil. Now, center and press the tail end of the foil onto the edge, then inspect the rest of the foil to confirm that it is centered and aligned. Then use your fingers to firmly press the foil against the outer edge of the glass, ensuring a strong bond. Now, use the crimper burnisher slot that is located on the right side of the foiler tip to fold over the foil and smooth out the wrinkles. Start just slightly away from a corner, then slide the foiler along the edge of the glass, stopping just before reaching the first corner. Lift the foiler off the edge, then reinsert it onto the corner of the glass to fold the foil over the corner. Then continue to run the foiler along the following edge, stopping just before reaching the next corner. Repeat this process until you have all sides crimped. Then run the crimper burnisher around all sides one more time to ensure the foil is burnished and firmly attached to the glass edge. That's it. This jumbo glass piece is finished and the foil is perfectly centered on the glass edge, crimped, burnished, and ready to go. Finish by removing the tail of the foil liner from the foiler. Press down on the holder button, then tear the backer across the cutter and the foiler is ready to move to the next piece in your project.